friends, today's video will show you what to do if your AirPods charging case does not charge. There are different cases with other users, like some have AirPods Pro case not charging no light, while some have AirPods Pro case not charging wirelessly, or AirPods Pro case not charging with MagSafe, and some say that the AirPods Pro case not charging when plugged. In AirPods Pro case not charging but AirPods are, while many of you say AirPods Pro case not charging one AirPod, and few users having an issue like AirPods Pro case not charging with a cable. So guys, if your AirPods Pro case isn't charging and shows no light, it may suggest a problem with the connection of the charging cable, the power source, or possibly a defective battery within the case itself. First, check that the charging cable is securely plugged into both the case and a working power adapter. If the issue persists, try repositioning the case on the charger, or consider resetting your AirPods by holding down the setup button on the back of the case for a few seconds. Key points to check. First one is charging cable. So guys, please ensure the cable is fully inserted into both the case and the power adapter. Sometimes, it seems that you have plugged both ends in properly, but a loose connection prevents your AirPods case from charging. The second thing is a power source. You need to verify that the power adapter is plugged into a working outlet. If your area's electricity is out due to some circumstance, then the lights in your entire home or building won't turn on. In such cases, you should charge your AirPods case with a power bank if you have one. Now, in discussing the wireless charging case, if you're using a wireless charger, ensure the case is correctly positioned on the charging pad. I have an Anchor power bank and a wireless charging AirPods Pro case. First, your power bank needs to have enough charge, and then the AirPods case must be positioned correctly for charging. Another thing is that if the previously shown trick won't work for you, then resetting your AirPods case. Try resetting your AirPods by holding down the setup button on the back of the case. On my video screen, you can see I pressing on the back side of the AirPods case to reset. If this button is stuck, remove any dust and debris properly, then try resetting it. And finally, what should be done if the problem persists? Contact Apple support for further troubleshooting or potential repair options if the issue remains unresolved. Customer service or use their Get an Estimate tool to see if you can get your case repaired. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to be the first to receive alerts for my latest videos.